Okay, students, today we'll be doing the service of a caviar. What is a caviar? Anybody can tell me? One by one, yes please. What is a caviar? Yes, caviar.
It's basically the small eggs of sturgeon fish.
Okay, what are the different types of caviar? Okay, so today we'll be using the Sevruga caviar. The caviar which we have already seen, which we have already discussed how it is being done and how it is being made out of the fish. So today we'll be using this. Anybody can tell me the cost of this caviar? It's too expensive. This bottle, this box is too expensive. So we need to see how it is being served. Okay. So this is always being served. There are two options. We serve the caviar with the sparkling wines, the sparkling champagne or the sparkling wines, or we can serve them with the chilled vodka. So this is, you can serve it with the sparkling or you can serve it with the chilled vodka. Okay. So now the service depends upon the order of the guest or the guest preference, we can say. Like for example, we are here ready with the things. Okay. So I am going to tell you today how to prepare it. Now the basic, we have taken this roasted bread, or you can say you can take the blinis also for preparing the caviar. What is blinis? Yes, anybody can tell me?
Pancake of a
yes, a pancake of a buckwheat which is being made and we use it in the service. Now what we are going to have it is, this we take, okay, and on this we apply the butter. This is the basic service which we do. Yeah. This is the basic service which we do so that we can have a taste of basically what we are doing. Then after applying the butter, we add a cream on the top. After this, it is totally the guest preference. The guest wants in how he wants his caviar to be prepared. He wants, let's say, he wants the egg white. So we'll be preparing it. We'll decorate. We'll put egg white on the caviar, on the base. And what else? Shallots. Okay. We'll put shallots also.
To decorate more, we can put egg yolk.
Okay. So we'll put egg yolk also. So this is basically how we need to prepare it. This is the top which we have prepared. Now on the top, what we are going to do is we are going to put the caviar.
And it always has to be put in the center.
Yes.
Right.
Like small canopies, you garnish it.
Yes.
So now basically it is being served with accompaniment is chilled vodka. So this is how you serve, this is how you take your and you serve to the guest. So this is clear to all of you?
Yes.
Now anybody would like to come and do it? Okay, good. Yes, come. Yes, Shailesh, you can do. You can try. Yes.
We'll take it on it
Yes.
and we'll put some butter
Okay.
on the top of it. Just put it in the plate. Then we'll put some cream on top of it.
Yes, you can put lemon also. Yes.
We can keep it as a garnish also.
You can serve it like this.
Now, as per the guest request, we'll put the ingredients as per the guest only. So, anybody for the? I would like to taste it.
Egg white.
Lemon also. We decorate it. Then we'll put salad. garnishing.
Thank
First
you.
we-
Yes.
Then we'll serve it with the chilled vodka.
Nice.